So I haven't added a post. Here is the speaker playing. So I haven't added a post. Here is the speaker playing. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use all audio features on Capcut entirely for free, whether paid or not. And the good thing is you don't have to download any software. You don't have to extract the audio and upload it to an AI website or something. You can do it within Capcut for free. And here's how. Now I have a video here that I want to apply some audio effects to, which are paid in Capcut. So all I'm going to do is, for this first clip, record a video. I'm going to change how the voice or the vocal sound. So I'll just select it, come up here to audio, click on voice changers, and you can choose any of the filters here, whether paid or not. Here's what we need to echo. So that one will do. So I'm going to come up here to audio and choose any audio track which is paid. For example, this dancing on the empty streets. Just download that and drag it down to my timeline. I'm just going to mute this track for now, and we come up here to a main video that had music in it, because we have to use the vocal isolation feature for you to actually see how good Capcut's AI is. So I'll quickly just copy this and paste up here. This will be the clip I'll work on, and the one at the bottom here is the original clip. So click on this, come up here to audio. Under basic, I'm just going to select vocal isolation, and you can choose which you want. I'm just going to keep vocals, and if you zoom in on the timeline, you're going to see that it has isolated the parts where music is, this section right here. So the edited one doesn't have music, the unedited or the original has music. And let's do a quick test. I'll mute this track. I'll mute the edited track, and let's play this. As you can see, it's currently playing. I haven't added a post. Let me just pause it. Now that is the original track. Let's unmute the original and mute the edited. Unmute the edited and unmute the original. You hear what I'm saying? So let's play this now. As you can see, it's currently playing. I haven't very clean. So that's a feature you can use in Capcut. And if at all you have some noise in the background or you need to enhance the voice, you simply just click on it. And there are other audio features that are paid, but like I told you, we're going to use it for free. Normalize loudness and reduce noise, and that is all for now. So I'm just going to unmute the main track and reduce this volume of the original to 0 so that I have just the edited. Now when you come up to export, there your hits if the subscription whatsoever. So we have some pro features we've used. If you have money, you can join, but that's not the purpose of this video. It's for those who don't want to pay, or those who don't have money to pay. So you just click on back to edit, and here's what you have to do. On your Windows PC, press the Shift, Windows and S key at the same time to launch the snipping tool feature. Now you're going to come up here to video. If you don't know how to use this snipping tool feature, I've actually made a video about it. You can check my channel for that video. So you click on this video icon here and just select a small portion of the screen to screen record. What we're actually recording is not the video, we are recording the sound. So just select a small portion. Now make sure your mic is muted, whether external mic or the inbuilt mic from your laptop, so that it doesn't screen record and pick external sounds. So make sure this is muted and allow your system to record system audio. So do not mute this, allow it to pass through. When you're done, you click on start, and when it starts recording, you can just play back the video and screen record everything. So I'm just going to go. I wanted to clap, but it's not a cast, so I'll just play this. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play something from this. Now I am currently talking, but it's not going to record the sound I am saying. I've already explained. My mic is muted, but system audio passes through. And when doing this, one thing you should notice that always try to use proxy media and play it. I use a low resolution playback so that your video shouldn't lag and the sound is off. It has done recording. I'm just going to click on the stop button right here. When you click on the stop button, you're going to have this window right here. So all you have to do is click on this save icon to save that video. When you're done, you come back to media, you click on import and import that video. Now this video, we don't need it. What we need from this video is the audio track. Come to audio, click on import, then click on extract audio, then we select the audio, the video actually, and click on import. So it extracts the audio out of that video. You can just pull this down to your timeline and you have the video. If you come to export, you still have this extracted feature that we've used. Like I said, we're doing everything entirely for free. So I'm just going to click on back to edit, delete it, then bring in this main video and drop it on our timeline. Then we basically just have to go to where the audio starts, delete that, pull it this way, then select this other audio tracks, pull it above this, put this on the main track and cut it from here. Right, so it's okay. Unmute the main track because that is our main video. Mute this. Now you go to export. Voila, you have everything. That is basically how you can use Capcut's audio features entirely for free by using this method. And you might be thinking that this is complicated, but that's what you get for trying to use free stuff. For my Mac users, this is not as straightforward as it might seem to be on Windows because your screen recorder does not have the built-in system record audio feature. I don't know how you call it, but there's a workaround using QuickTime, and I'll leave a couple of videos in the description that are going to help you do that. I was actually supposed to post this video back in February, but due to school and exams, I wasn't free. I'm currently writing, but I don't have a paper today. That's why I'm recording this video on the 2nd of April. And yeah, I still have to prep for exams tomorrow though. On a final note, Capcut is currently undergoing a ban in the US. They are on a pause right now. So for my American viewers, do I even have American viewers? So for my American viewers, you just have to make use of these features while it's still there. Thank you all so much for watching and wish me luck for the exams. Tip for tech. Peace.